Hey Cougars, I'm Ethan Hartfield and here's what's happening. Applications for the AWS Information Infrastructure Pre-Apprenticeship Program are now available. This is a paid 8-week hands-on training program that meets on A day or B days and prepares students for high-demand careers in technology and infrastructure. All supplies are provided, including safety gear and a laptop, and you can earn while you learn. If you're interested, stop by the Career Coach office in C200 for more information. Spots are limited, so don't wait. Congratulations are in order for several Cougar teams who competed in big-time events over the last few days. The boys bowling team won their third state championship last Tuesday, led by Caden Yarn, who was the overall individual bowler, and Anthony Mangialardi, who won the third overall bowler. Both earned all-state recognition for their performances, and Yarn was named an all-star bowler and participated in the MAC All-Star event last Friday. The boys powerlifting team won their third straight region championship last Friday. 10 Cougars placed in the top 3 of their weight classes, including 6 first-place finishes. They'll compete in the state meeting on February 26 at Pearl. The Northwest Rankin cheerleaders made history last weekend, advancing to the finals of the traditional categories at the National High School Spirit Championship for the first time in school history. They placed in the top 24 out of 114 teams in that category and placed 7th in game day. The Northwest Rankin girls soccer team advanced to the second round of playoffs after a 4-0 win over at Gulfport on Monday night. They'll play the winner of St. Martin and Petal this weekend in round 2. And finally, the Cougar basketball teams begin play in the district tournament this week. The boys played Oak Grove last night in the quarterfinals, and the girls received a bye with the number 1 seed, so they head straight to the semifinals to take Pearl on Thursday at 4 p.m. at Brandon. That's your news for today. I'm Ethan Hartfield, and this has been your Northwest Minute.